Welcome to Review Rumble. The best button making kit is probably one of the most fun and creative tools you can have. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just looking for a new hobby, this kit opens up a world of possibilities. From personalized badges to custom decorations, you can create unique items that reflect your style. In this video, we'll dive deep into what makes this kit stand out and help you decide if it's the right choice for your next project. Number 5. Button Maker Machine 58mm, 3rd Gen. This kit includes everything you need to create custom buttons. It comes with a 58mm badge maker, button parts, a circle cutter, pictures, and even a magic book. It's perfect for unleashing your creativity. This machine is designed for making various small gifts like pin badges and keychains. It's made from high-strength plastic, making it lightweight and durable. It's also easy to use, perfect for kids to develop their practical skills. First, use the circle cutter to cut your pictures to the right size. Then, set the molds on the machine. After that, place the cover, picture, and film, and press down. Finally, add the pin backing and press again. The upgraded swivel mount improves efficiency and accuracy. It helps with better positioning, ensuring your buttons come out perfectly every time. This feature makes the process smoother and more precise. Included is a magic book that changes as you flip through it. It starts blank, then reveals a cartoon, and then a colorful cartoon. It can be used as a magic prop or a painting book, sparking children's interest. What we like? This kit's installation-free design means you can start creating right away. The upgraded swivel mount ensures perfect alignment every time. If you're looking for a fun and engaging craft project, especially for kids, this is a fantastic choice. The included magic book adds an extra layer of creativity, making it a complete package for button making and beyond. What people say. The machine was easy to set up and use, even the first few buttons came out great. The swivel mount makes alignment super simple, and the pieces press cleanly every time. I love that it includes everything you need to get started, plus the little magic book was a cute surprise. Number 4. Dritz 114-30 Craft Button Kit. This kit is perfect for adding a unique touch to your clothes. It comes with everything you need to create beautiful embellishments using backs with shanks. It's easy to use and adds a professional look. You can also use this kit to make stunning jewelry and accessories. The backs without shanks are ideal for crafting. With this kit, the possibilities are endless. The clear templates make it easy to center, trace, and cut your fabric designs. This ensures accuracy and allows you to create precisely what you envision. It's a great tool for any craft project. Once your project is complete, you don't have to worry about special care. The finished product is both washable and dry cleanable. This makes it convenient for everyday use. This kit includes size 30 buttons, which are 3/4 inch in size, and comes with 18 sets. It's a comprehensive kit that provides everything you need to get started. Get ready to enhance your projects. What we like? This kit is perfect for embellishing garments and creating unique accessories. The clear templates make it easy to center and cut your designs. If you like adding a personal touch to your clothing or creating custom jewelry, this kit is a must-have. What people say. The button maker is easy to use. The buttons come out perfect every time. The button maker is well made and sturdy. Number 3. Bignc 20 Set Clear Pins for Crafts. This kit includes 20 sets of clear pins, perfect for your crafting needs. It provides you with everything you need to start making your own buttons. The medium size, 2.36 inches, offers a comfortable experience. You can easily create badges without any hassle. Made from high-quality acrylic, this material offers superior transparency and a smooth texture. It's the ideal choice for creating your own unique buttons. The installation is straightforward. Just separate the cover, insert your design, add the lid, and attach the brooch. It's that easy. Design unique badges for your team or embed your favorite patterns. You can enjoy DIY buttons for crafts and create interesting projects with it. What we like? The high-quality acrylic material provides a premium look and feel. The simple installation makes it easy to create your own buttons. If you're looking for a simple and elegant way to create custom badges, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Easy to use and they don't open up easily while you're wearing it. These are easy to use. They are easy to snap together. They are very clear, not cloudy at all. Great for anyone who wants to create their own pins. Number 2. Button Pin Maker Machine 1 foot plus 1.25 plus 2.25 kit. This button maker allows you to create personalized buttons in 3 different sizes, 1 inch, 1.25 inch, and 2.25 inch. It comes with all the materials you need to get started, so you can start making buttons right away. The kit includes everything you need to make 300 buttons. It comes with a button press machine, interchangeable dies in 3 sizes, and all the necessary supplies like metal covers, films, and pinbacks. You can make 100 buttons for each size. Making a button takes less than 15 seconds once everything is set up. Just follow the instructions, and you'll be creating buttons in no time. Remember to watch the video or read the manual before use. The machine is made of high-strength plastic, making it lightweight and easy to operate. The top rotating die improves efficiency and accuracy, and it helps with positioning. It is designed to make the process as smooth as possible. This button maker is perfect for creating personalized badges for photos, decorations, or even wedding name tags. It's a great way to add a personal touch to your projects, and it makes a fantastic gift for anyone who loves crafting. We look forward to seeing your creative designs. What we like. This kit offers multiple sizes, giving you versatility in your button creations. The complete kit includes everything you need to get started. If you need a comprehensive button-making solution for various projects, this is the ideal option. What people say. Overall very easy to use. Was making buttons within a couple of minutes. Frame is plastic but seems sturdy. The buttons I've made with this machine have lasted a long time and look great and seem really sturdy. If you are looking for a product that is easy to use, especially if you have arthritis in your fingers and wrist, versatile in button sizes, and produces a professional-looking product, then this is the machine. Number 1. Yilloog 3-inch clear button pins. You'll receive 25 clear button badges, each 3 inches in diameter. This provides ample quantity for your various DIY projects. Remember to use photos smaller than the inner diameter. These blank pins are easy to assemble without any machine. Simply remove the top lid, insert your picture, and press firmly. The back shell's recess makes it easy to replace the content. These transparent photo buttons let you personalize them with photos, images, or logos. Unleash your creativity and make them your own to reflect your personal style. They are not suitable for thick items. These craft buttons are perfect for DIY crafts, badges, and photo buttons. Use them to decorate your clothes or for events. Write your name and title on paper and pin it on your clothes. Made from reliable acrylic, these buttons are sturdy and long-lasting. The polished surface is smooth to the touch, and they are individually packed to prevent scratches. They will serve you for a long time. What we like. You get a generous quantity of buttons, perfect for larger projects. The easy-to-use design means you can assemble them without any special tools. If you are looking for a simple and fun way to create custom photo buttons, this is a great choice. What people say. I was able to put the logo of the organization into the back and snap the top on. The finished size is slightly larger than a 50-cent piece. These are easy to use and allow great flexibility for customization. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.